Watermelon is the perfect summer fruit. It is both delicious and refreshing. It has a satisfying taste that satisfies the need for sweets. Moreover, contrary to popular belief, there is no excessive calorie load. When consumed in moderation, watermelon does not cause excessive calorie gain and does not raise blood sugar and insulin levels. Since the glycemic index of watermelon is not very high, it never makes you fat when consumed in reasonable portions. When you eat 100 grams of watermelon, you will only gain about 30 calories of energy. By the way, watermelon is a fruit rich in vitamin C and E, rich in vitamins B1 and B6, lycopene and minerals. Lycopene, also known as the red miracle, it is very effective in preventing prostate, breast and colon cancers. In addition, lycopene is a very powerful antioxidant that makes excellent contributions to our health in slowing skin aging, preventing heart attacks and more. Moreover, there is another miracle that is overlooked in watermelon. There is not only red miracle lycopene in watermelon. There is a second miracle molecule. The name of that molecule is citrulline. Citrulline is found in the pink and white layer just below the red part of the watermelon. Citrulline, which we bring to our body, first turns into arginine and then into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is an enormous natural molecule that protects the vessel wall, gives elasticity to the vessels, delays vascular aging, but more importantly, increases sexual power. So to put it briefly, it is useful to benefit not only from the red part of the watermelon, but also from that pink and white part. What are the benefits of watermelon? Watermelon, which is very rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidant nutrients, provides many benefits to the body in terms of health thanks to this feature. Although watermelon alone is not effective to obtain these benefits, it may be possible to benefit from all these positive effects by adding watermelon to a healthy and balanced diet. Here are the most important known benefits of watermelon. Watermelon fights cancer. Watermelon is one of the foods that contains plenty of the carotenoid-type lycopene, which gives the red color pigment. Lycopene is a type of carotenoid that cannot be converted to vitamin A and is a very powerful antioxidant. Lycopene, which has a reducing effect on free radicals in the body, reduces oxidative stress thanks to this feature and protects cells against cancer. Lycopene, which is found in red fruits such as tomatoes, watermelon, rose hips, and pink grapefruit, provides protection against many types of cancer, especially prostate cancer. In addition, it has been determined that it has positive effects on slowing the progression, strengthening the body defense and supporting the treatment in existing cancer patients. In order to obtain these benefits in the best way, it is necessary to follow a healthy and balanced diet plan that includes other beneficial nutrients in appropriate amounts. Watermelon protects cardiovascular health. Another positive effect of the high lycopene content in watermelon is that it helps to protect against cardiovascular diseases. Lycopene, an important herbal component, has effects on maintaining and strengthening the elasticity of the arteries. Thanks to this feature, it prevents the formation of atheroma plaques in the arteries and their clogging, and provides protection against diseases such as atherosclerosis. In addition, lycopene, which helps prevent hypertension, is an antioxidant that fights cardiovascular diseases. Considering that the group of diseases that cause the most deaths in the world is cardiovascular diseases, it is seen that regular consumption of watermelon and other foods with high lycopene content is quite beneficial. Watermelon is a very valuable food for athletes. Watermelon is a very suitable fruit for consumption before exercise. Thanks to its high water content, it prevents dehydration that can develop due to sweating during sports activities, while it does not create a feeling of swelling in the abdomen due to its low fiber content. Thanks to its high potassium content, it increases performance by strengthening muscle functions during exercises. Thanks to the amino acid citrulline it contains, it is known to help support performance during training. In addition, watermelon accelerates the recovery process of the muscles after training in athletes and reduces the formation of pain. While it accelerates the repair process of the muscles thanks to the amino acids it contains, minerals such as potassium and magnesium, it helps to refill the glycogen stores in the muscles thanks to its high nutritional value. Therefore, it can be said that watermelon is an excellent natural food source for those who are interested in sports activities. Watermelon improves skin health. Water, which is included in the composition of the foods consumed during the day, meets approximately 20% of the total water need. In addition, the consumption of a food such as watermelon, which has a high water content, is very effective in maintaining the moisture balance of the body when it is supported by the consumption of at least 2 liters of water per day. It is very important to maintain the ideal moisture ratio of the skin in order to renew the skin regularly, to protect the skin health and to prevent skin defects. The high content of water in watermelon supports the provision of this moisture content, while the high vitamin and mineral content in watermelon is effective on beautifying the skin and preventing problems such as dryness and eczema. Watermelon prevents dehydration. Insufficient fluid consumption is a very common problem in the world. However, dehydration may occur in cases of insufficient water consumption in health problems such as the use of various drugs, alcoholism, excessive consumption of tea and coffee, diarrhea, and diarrhea that increase water excretion. Dehydration is a serious health problem that can reach life-threatening levels, especially in severe cases. Especially in older people, as dehydration is very difficult to notice, these people are more at risk. To prevent this, the daily fluid requirement must be fully met. In order to prevent dehydration, at least 2 liters of water should be consumed per day, and beverages such as tea, coffee, alcoholic beverages that have a diuretic effect and remove water from the body should be consumed with caution. If drinks with diuretic effects are consumed, the amount of water consumed at the same rate should be increased. Mineral issues should also be taken into account when adding water. Instead of plain water, mineral water is a better alternative. In addition to water consumption, consuming a food containing 92% water, such as watermelon, is also important in terms of preventing water loss. Foods such as watermelon, cucumber and melon can prevent the progression of dehydration in cases where water consumption is reduced. Consumption of juicy fruits such as watermelon is very effective in preventing water loss, especially in cases such as nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. If you also care about your health, you should pay attention to adequate and balanced nutrition. If you do not have a health problem that prevents you from consuming watermelon, you can improve your health and protect yourself from many diseases by consuming watermelon in moderation during the summer months.